have cholesterol problem, just stop at 3rd Street bottom to the Dream Team.
Yes.
And you can get your healthy coconut oats meal dumpling.
Oh.
I'm coming back for mine.
Oh.
I'll soon be back.
Oh.
We never get no key now. Yeah, she put them on first.
And there you yeah. And then it does. Yeah. 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 Relax the sparks, man.
Tastes good.
Rashida.
Yeah, man, it's slap. My son never get four dump.
Yeah.
Nothing no go on. Nothing no go on, man.
Yeah, just appear. Watch out the plate. Disappear.
Joking, man.
Joking.
Disappear. Anything you cooking coconut milk.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy idea, no.
Disappear.
Anything you cooking coconut milk.
Yes.
I'm gonna say disappear.
Yes. Our pasta.
Say all the pasta.
See all the pasta. Pasta is here.
Disappear.
Kino life in Jamaica. Mountain to climb, and if a conversation it have to define. We praise Rastafari all our life. Kino life, Rastafari. Way up in the east, Africa they want to meet us. In a day, R.I.P. Humble and remake, Trenchtown, love is perfection. You should be celebrating, make yourself high because I love you penetrating.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well guys, you know, I stopped talk. Remember the last time I was here, you know, with our 2 guests them from Paris. Now so I'm back here. You know, I have to pass by back. Definitely want to get some of that Ital food. You know. Yes, so look at the place, it's jam-packed. It was so hard for me to get a park. I literally saw someone coming out their parking space just as I am arriving at the food court. This is the food court.
The kingdom and the power and the glory. I say amen, amen, yes. I is the kingdom and the power and the glory. I say amen. Even I am where are you, my darling? Come forth and help us bless the unity. Eyes is I.
Give thanks, night markets. It's so beautiful when a woman prays. Yes, give thanks, give thanks. That's what Shaggy say. Yeah, what Shaggy say? Yes. Yeah? DJ Chubby, what do you say? No, man, not that one, Chubby. Not that one, Chubby. Not that one, Chubby, please. Good night, Kingston Night Market. Yes, my name is Ibi Lion, fresh from Zion. Tonight going to be a beautiful night because the stars are up, the moon is bright, and of course the smiles are great. If for the first time coming to Jamaica, welcome to Jamaica. Land of wood and so much coconut water to drink. You know, beautiful people Everywhere have them local problems, but together we can solve them. Alright, so I'm going to be doing 2 poems tonight. The first poem is from I Nation. He wrote this book 13. I Nation have his books and necessities right at the gate. Yes. So the first poem titles Heaven. You don't have to die to go to heaven. Just book yourself a flight, destination JA. Pack to overstay. No surprise if you purposely miss your return flight. An island of the light. Accentuate your right and explore your might. Silent as night. Whatever
Here's Rose not here. Food market. Far eye. Wagwan. Cool now. I wasn't on the island still. Yeah. So yeah, I'm try and come get something I tell, you know? Yeah. Sure. Market night. So you don't get your spot yet? Still working on the spot.
Yeah.
Guys.
Most of the thing almost seal up.
A lie.
I look up for lentil leaf, curry jackfruit,
Shell on. Oh my days.
and some bean soup. Cowpeas, bean soup, and coconut sauce.
We really reach late.
Yeah, man.
Not even late.
I gave some pressed plant with some pressed sweet potato. See, so you still get a full complete meal. Just that you know get
The tambourine thing and
but yeah, you still have
Isle of Pole.
Ancients of days.
Ancient. Majesty. Blessed love.
Give it time.
Isle.
What do you mean?
Oh, so nothing but love and love alone, man.
Love alone can do it, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
It alone can do it.
Only it alone.
Love conquers all.
All things.
All things. All things. Can't do one spoon me get. Gosh. That's all me get. A splash.
oh nice.
That's a dash. Can't believe everything done. Put some more curry jackfruit on it. Curry jackfruit, you know. It's the first I'm gonna try this one. Curry jackfruit.
Yeah, man.
This one is new for me. Curry jackfruit. Actually, all this empty. What is it? Chickpea? Aki. Chickpea and aki.
This is bean soup,
Cowpeas, bean stew,
coconut sauce, you know?
and coconut sauce, right? Yeah, I was leaving myself well empty. Hello, Empress. How you doing? I was leaving myself so empty, say yes. You're an artist?
I'm not an artist.
I'm not an artist.
I'm not artiste, but I'm an artist. I make wearable arts.
Oh, you make
Yeah.
these.
I make wearable art, so I guess. Yeah.
It's still her artist. Because you make the wearable ones you wear, right? I like it. I like the style.
Thank you so much.
I like this. I can't believe. At least I'm going to get something. Everything almost done on me. I That one name taste up your mouth. Right? This one name taste up your mouth. Everything done about. Over here you got your natural juice and everything. Hello, natural. You get the natural juices. All true juice, true blend. Yes.
Jump and roll, that I don't plan ya. Shut on any quick thing can't come down ya. Jump and roll, they grab a belch, none of them can come fool we. Machu just said that you see it, grab a belch, all natural, bro.
All natural, grab a bells, you drink this with most bells. Over here is the food menu. Aye. Seats.
Tofu?
No, tofu. Spicy tofu. What one, bro? Cool. That smells good. Right, that smells good. Go on. Yes, you know these spots?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you know the link?
Yeah.
The one link, one link, Trudge Town. Babila.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, go on. I'm a spot this man. Big up. Nice. Yeah, man. I'm a spot man. I'm always here regular man. Most eye. Is a vlogger. Keen on life in Jamaica from Trenchtown. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, you can bless up, man. Bless
up the whole of Trenchtown from 1st Street to 7th Street, right back to all of the street.
Yeah.
See, now we are saying, stay together, Trenchtown. Because this is the time, you see me, I say,
yes, sir.
Maroon governance. Go and beat Lion Dingy jump. We get the indifferences. Kids are no dolly, nuclear and no tie. Guns to water, gun car, gonna kill joy. Something worthwhile, Mr. Figures Bill I'll car. Something worthwhile, Levi car. Mama Earth cry out, what a way she full joy car. In a city curse, them unemployed. Spiritual to leave them, you know, hear them clean hard. Look who come and read them at the same. King George, Rasta Digger, yes I. Mountain to climb. If a conversation, it have to divine. Praise us the far, yes, Trenchtown, I hear me keep it up where I go.
Yeah.
Can't put it down, Trenchtown. Keen of life in Jamaica. Mountain to climb, and if a conversation, it have to divine. We praise us the far, all we like. Keen of life, Rastafari. Way up in the east, Africa, they want to be RIP, humble and meek, Trenchtown, love is perfection. You should be celebrating, make yourself high because I love you penetrating. And so we stay and full of can upon the hill. Every day we pray, and joy you send a blessing, and it come my way. Speak the truth and make it turn. Magic we transform, weekends, rebirth and we reform. Look for penitentiary cause them want to reform. Like big idiots every moment until we born. Oh no, both are naughty, keen of life. Mountain to climb, if a conversation of the divine. We praise that the far out of my life.
Jesus, more alive. But the artist name, I don't know the artist name.
Voice, you see it, that's the far right. From them time, they big up Earl China Smith, you know, David, you know, all that, the whole team, and you know, say the whole are done a big yard. You see it, Rasta governance. Salute.
Rasta, yeah. Boy, that kicking high. Wow. The bubble in our boss a song too.
Great. Bye, man.
You know what I mean? Was a big song, sir. Alright. We mash up the food real quick. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So here's my food. The curry jackfruit. You know, the beans stew. Pellent and look at pressed sweet potato. You know, we get something, even though everything is finished. You know, something like something. So, let me try the curry jackfruit. Imagine curry jackfruit. Huh? Curry jackfruit. Wow. First time I'm trying this curry jackfruit. Yeah. Correct, I'm gonna come. I'm never get what I want.
No, man, you can't get 2 points. No, watch me there, so you're going to get the rest of that. You're going to get cowpeas, and then you have some lentils.
No, what happens is somebody waiting on me, so I can't really have it. So next.
Still a go on. Sweet potato, press. You know, still a go on well. Curry jackfruit. First time I'm trying curry jackfruit. Wow. Curry jackfruit is so good as well. So good. So do you ever try curry jackfruit before? I think I should try. I should try. Grab a belch. Where is it?
Right at the house, we have authentic Jamaican food popsicles made of Jamaican fruit.
Alright.
That's how you make, but that's how you vibe, I don't know.
Yeah, man, I'll super. Alright. You have the pine and passion plus it's a grab and belch. How much for it?
600 Jamaican.
So it have been ice.
It have been ice, but it's soft.
What kind of juice am I asking?
We have pineapple passion, we have green plum, we have mango passion. Give a thanks, man.
Alright, yeah, respect, man.
Big up on yourself.
So I'm gonna drink this and belch, right?
Half a belch, most belch.
How much is it?
Right, that's all. Half a belch, most belch.
Yes, a grab a belch.
Half a belch.
How much one back there, man?
600.
600. So you
That
must
requires
belch.
enough belt.
Yeah.
You have the beetroot, carrot, you have the
So if you don't belch from day, you drink this to belch.
Yeah, drink one of them.
Yeah, you want to belch?
You want to sit down and we have to put on a rest.
No, you see, they kind of
Run out.
Yeah, drink one of them.
Pero ya se mantiene, si no puedes salir en casa.
Alright, so I'm gonna try this, drink it, and see if I'm really gonna belch. You know, it's a grab a belch. So hopefully I'll belch after this. Time. While we stand aside and look, woo, we got stones here. Yeah, this is the Asmo packetry. Oh, overseas.
All I ever This song is my favorite song, but we're singing it on the rhythm. Singing it a cappella. Yeah, from school days, I'm not telling a lie, I'm telling the truth. You see me? Thank you, each and everyone. Cool, man.
Have faith,
Thanks, give thanks. I clap the Lord.
have faith.
I clap the Lord.
Why am I missing?
Yes, Robert, blessings, blessings.
Yeah,
We have one more
just forward on, catch you on the eat.
You know it, game.
Jeffrey Perry.
Right here.
You're related to these Scotch Perry?
You know, see who there?
Aye.
That you know.
Keen life in
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
You are related.
You know, say Jamaica.
Yeah.
That tribute to Babylon, so we're there.
Yes,
Some relation must have gone this way.
I should be on the side eat. I should be on the side eat, but miss it. I'm rich close, man, so I'd feed that.
Very good. Say, give me some from Chimical Verse.
Alright, no problem. Alright, I'm not inside the competition, but me gonna have some, right?
Yeah, can you give me Verse?
I go win, man.
Yeah, man, we know we have one more artist, DJ Vin. We're going around there now. Alright, so
Big up, big up.
what you know this one? One thing with me, right?
Don't worry.
Good. So DJ Vin, they said, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun.
A performer, some of the notes that really, one of the things I liked about Young Chin was that he just went
I
straight
tried
into
the
the
belch,
song.
and it really make you belch, you know. Really good natural juice.
Or anything like that. He just
Yes,
went
I
straight
made
into the
my
song.
way
I would like to
home
congratulate him for that. Because he
So
said,
listen,
we're ready for
thank you
backstage.
so
Right?
much
And
for
he
watching this
came
vlog.
away with a
Thank
57.5
you. Please,
for fourth
thumbs
place.
up, subscribe if you haven't
Thank you very
subscribed,
much.
and hit that bell. And
Thank you very much.
all.
And then in third place was Jabert singing another
Jabert, third place.
redemption song. Because
Right.
Bob was so
Alright guys, well, you know, as you can see, the shop is under construction, you know. Welcome to King Island, Jamaica. Guys, as you can see, the shop is under construction, you know, so we're gonna kind of make a refurbish, you know, get it back up and running the way how it should, you know, so we can start do back some cooking, you know, for the elders, you know, so that's what's going on today, you know, so today I'm gonna go and do some sweeping out and thing, you know, so some work been going on, you know, as you can see, the shop is paint over, then we're gonna get back the artwork, the murals back on the shop, you know, so the artist was here, so the artist was do the paint work and everything, you know, so we're gonna get back the murals them on the shop. The young youth them is here. The young youth them is here, so
Place look nice, man. Wow, chef, man.
yeah.
Wow. Wow, the Italian spice, you know.
Spikes. Alright guys, so as you can see, you know, we want to get back some black paint now and paint right here, so you know, so why would they do some work? I feel like I'm in the cooking mood. Right, boom? Feel like I'm in the cooking mood. You know my special already. You know? I feel like I want to cook some oats dumpling. You know my special, I love to cook my oats dumpling with some rundown, salt mackerel rundown cooked up in coconut milk. I feel like that's the mission today. See one coconut already here. So Jella is coming, the rest of coconut. Esther just arrived, you know, so don't get the blender and everything. So as you can see, the window is back in, you know. The window is back in. So tell me how you see the shop is looking. So we're gonna paint out back in here as well too. As you can see, the place is in a state, you know. So we're gonna make sure in here is up and running back again, you know, so we can start do back some cooking for the elders, you know. So it's been a while. So the reason why, as you could see, the shop was really under, you know, a reconstruction because of an accident that take place with a vehicle run inside the shop, you know. So the vehicle literally run inside the shop all the way, you know. A good thing no one was inside when it happened, you know. All the way over here the vehicle reached. All of this was leaked out and everything. So, you know, by a good God of grace, you know, no one wasn't inside, you know, no one never got hurt, you know. So I'm telling you, usually worship would be right here, a storing pot, you know, or in that the sink. But at that day, no one wasn't inside. So we give thanks for that. No one wasn't injured, you know. So everyone was alright, and that's good. So since then now, the shop is back under construction. So we're gonna put in some work, you know. So while the work are going, I'm just gonna put on a quick pot, you know, so we can eat 2 dumpling and thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, eat some dumpling and thing. So that day. Alright, so Jenna is here. Jenna bring the seasoning for the rundown pot. After that, more coconut. Now them have beanie. I like beanie, man. A good thing with that one here already. So coconut. We got the coconuts here to make the oats dumpling. Jella, I don't want to go too far when this party I cooked the last time. You know what I said? But genius.
No, go too far from here. See that one. I'll try this one.
Yeah, I go too far. So Esther bring the blender.
Yeah.
Ninja.
In front, send it to you.
Esther bring the ninja.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me got to send me our info.
Yeah, so Esther bring the blender. Yeah. We get some coal. So we're gonna get some coal as well too from Thumper. Go check the coal. I'm gonna check the coal man right now to get some coal. So check the coal man, Thumper. Thumper! Thumper! No? What go on? Akino? Some coal, no? Eh? Coal gone up, coal price gone up. What's the Thumper? And the good coal is?
You don't know it good and bad, you know, more in camp spot.
So you not cook with it?
No. I have to do it.
Him not cook, me cooking food.
Oh.
You do it, I have to I will bread. Yeah, no, you feel like it. Just enough like it.
Jelly.
So Peter going upstairs. That's good.
Where come my name for? Why you not look a man? Why is that my name a call? Why
Right. Alright guys, so boom there, I'm gonna start out the coconuts. There, so I got the coconut. Actually, this is all coconut water boom line off here. The coconut water, so you know, just start out the flow and thing, you know. Yeah, you drink it, man. I rest it on the fridge to get cooler.
You want to know what is nice?
Big one nice?
Yeah, big one.
The big one I tell it nice.
Which one a big one?
White one.
White one them?
The coconut tree.
But you know somebody need them still?
Well, that's why I taste it because more than me last time I say you ain't too good in there.
Yeah.
The coconut are sweet.
You need them still.
The big one.
The big one. I'm gonna use the water, man. The pot sweeter and nicer. Right, Esther. So right there, at least boom drink one. Where she there? They should not get back money.
She made us call because she give me some old money. So my granduncle come from England, me give them, I'm going to change them.
They want new money.
Then get them changed, so I send them the money.
So Esther, you saw what going already. The shop look different though. Look different.
I just have complain.
Yeah. But if I see him paint out everything, that means I might put him back some different thing. More likely. So imagine it was the son, now the father. Or the son they do it, you know. I know the father. Yeah, I'm son they do it first. No, Lady goes to come after. Come to do something on the face, but before it was the son of the day. What was chef and everything there. But no, the father. The great Lady Goose, Trenchtown finest artist, you know, best artist right now in a Trenchtown, and like literally in the world, the man their work is so unique. He's the one that do the murals them in most places, you know, Robinson. He's the one that do the Bob Marley murals them down by First Street as well too, you know, so. So guys, so let me go get my hand dirty right now.
Big one, dry, you know. Lemon.
The boom right now, I'll go and start talking.
Boom, yeah, cut it up. Don't eat it out, you know. I watch you. I'm trying to get some lick. And then give me.
Here's the salt mackerel.
I should go to pass.
So we have the salt mackerel, guys. So this is what? 3 pounds.
3 pounds?
Yeah.
Oh, Kina, don't show a bone them here?
Yeah, see the bone them for you.
Yeah.
So 3 pounds salt mackerel right here.
It's enough bone that 3 pounds bone. So what's today's menu?
Tell them what I want on boom, man.
What's today's menu? Boom? Let boom know what I want. Kina, what's today's menu?
Salt mackerel and oat dumpling.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, special oat dumpling.
Oat dumpling.
Cooking up coconut milk?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know coconut powder, a real coconut milk. Okay, real thing.
I'll have some.
Run down. Salt mackerel,
So this is a lot of salt mackerel.
Say a big pot. Oh.
Or no, say Kina chef long time. But sure, sometimes I can't find the time.
I find it now.
Yeah, it's the work I go on, you know.
Okay.
I get by the spirit in the shop. You know. So I like how the shop outside look. So you know when the artwork finish and we're gonna paint out inside as well too. So we can start cook back for the elders them, you know. Right? So the environment have to look comfortable.
Yeah.
You can't cook enough to feel comfortable. As I said, the accident take place in the community in the shop. So that kind of set things back.
They set up and running again.
Yeah, as soon as they finish, as I can see the place one paint over, you know. Get the place up and running back.
Window gone in, you know.
Yeah. That's the greatest part.
Yeah, outside paint up. You want
We are really far road.
I want them coconut the sweet. And the big one though.
Yeah, she's done cut out.
Just a blend up time.
So we start the blending. You know, blending is splending. So you want to blend that water? So guys, so you know, we want to get it rich, you know, rich coconut. Rich. We want to keep it rich for the oats dumpling.
Bring them fine now.
Yeah. Actually, the blade them smaller, that's why.
Oh, wow. One bad chef. You know. Man, I love that. Oh, I mean.
Making it work, you know what I mean?
Oh, man, one dream team, you know. The team work, you know.
The team work.
That's it, man.
Oh, man. See. So see it there. Guys, look, well rich. You see?
Yeah, real coconut.
Right. So you see one big pot of coconut.
Juice. Not water, juice.
Jefferson.
Coconut milk. Real coconut milk. No artificial. Real. Boom, take the summer out there. Yeah.
So guys, so we have set up the station outside, you know, because
yeah. Outside cool.
Yeah. The kitchen is on
construction. And outside cool.
So you like that one then?
And the wheat stick I use, got a wheat stick.
It's a salt mackerel. This is salt mackerel.
I try boil up the salt.
No, for boil them one.
Oh, good.
Don't like it, don't like it.
Out it. Kawaii.
Salt mackerel, not for boil again.
Okay. Oh.
Salt mackerel don't have to boil it.
Okay.
No, we're not going to do all of this.
Yeah, one outdoor kitchen. Nice breeze. One good breeze. Yeah.
Learn?
Yeah, I learn. Real coconut juice. Or the milk, eh? Until I catch it and then I tell you for out it. Lock off the stove, boom, lock it off. Boom, lock off the stove. I tell boom, lock off the stove.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I'm lock it off. Guys, I lock off cold stove. I lock off now. Boom, lock off the stove.
So I'm going to use some for need the flour. The oats flour.
I want some for your mackerel. In a coconut.
Yeah.
But I never eat no more for short tooth, that God. But I never eat no more. Come eat.
Oh, sabun down. What the cover? You have a cover for that? Alright guys, so as I said, coconut set on fire, so we're gonna leave this to go and boil a bit. We're gonna leave this to go and boil a bit. So one big pot of dumpling. So here we have the big flour. You know, we have the oats, fast cut oats, and we have our seasoning to season up the pot. And everything going. We have the salt mackerel already boiled right here, and we're outside, and we have some more coconut milk to deal with the flour. And we are outside, we're cooking on the street side because you know the shop under maintenance, so we're cooking on the street side. Yeah, cooking on the street side. Yeah. Alright. So this is the flour. So we have the one big pot of big sitting on flour, right? So listen, we know whenever I start cook, a lot of people is going to turn on, so I have to always cook, not for ourselves but for everybody. Because anytime we ever think of cooking for ourselves, that's when we're going to get left, right? So in life, you cannot live for yourself or do anything for yourself. So you know anything about it. You know.
Start pass already, so you know that means.
Yes, so you know, people pass.
And then can time pot, you know?
Yeah, so people already pass, time the pot and everything.
Come on, wait, come back.
Yeah. Pebbles already waiting. Pebbles already waiting. Some say you have to still circle back,
and
you
then
know.
come right on time.
Right on time.
All them time pots.
Yes, as you can see. So you see guys, the oats. Use 3 pack of the fast cut oats. 3 pack. So far. No need no more. So that is enough. 3. And I don't know how much flour this is, but this look like some 4 pound of flour or 5. Something like so. There's when someone is waiting
put
as
oats
well.
in the flour.
Oats dumpling. Hello.
Oats dumpling in coconut
You ever
milk.
eat oats dumpling before?
In coconut milk. Cooking a coconut milk. You ever got circle back here?
Of course, how much you want?
No, I'm free.
You know, Dream Team don't cook and sell.
Much dumpling you want? I don't know how much.
Like 3, 4, me want 5.
No, me can't done the pot.
You can't done
At
this.
least I
Yes,
can
sir.
say.
5 or 6 pounds of
Yes,
flour,
sir.
they can work with that.
So
I
we
did
use
the coconut milk. Real
You know,
coconut
show them how I go
milk.
on.
This is healthy stuff.
Yeah.
Because you know that the
Yeah, so I go on.
lower cholesterol.
The lower cholesterol, right?
Right.
So tell them that's the nurse right there.
Lower cholesterol. And what oil you cook it, you deal with it with.
We got coconut oil, but we're not going to use any oil at all.
No oil at all.
We're going to use the coconut milk.
So you
Cook the
see,
rundown.
you have cholesterol problem, just stop at Third Street bottom to the Dream Team, and you
Yes.
can get your healthy coconut oats meal dumpling.
Oh.
I'm coming back for mine.
Oh.
I'll soon be back.
Oh.
We never get no kino. Yeah, she put them on first. You know, whenever I cook,
So this is a one elevator dumpling. How much dumpling you ever need before? How the camera when you look, Esther? Because boom all over boom.
I'm looking shaky.
Look shaky.
Yeah.
How the lens down and the lens down? Oh, you smell already. Make sure we need this first. That's one elevator, whatever dumpling.
Let's press 2 hard on the table.
Yeah, before we catch it, Esther.
Oh, look at, Should the middle partner,
Because we know
yeah.
it's a flour, you have to put weight on it.
At the middle, me I watch.
The middle good.
The middle not stand. The middle never put the stand on. Where your baby there?
Some about the players. Yesterday, I seen them go
No, man, Kina go put music in there.
Wow. How should do?
I said, she want to tell me. But she...
You
know, sir, this is like more than 5 pounds of flour.
Yes, sir.
Oi.
Say it already.
Tired. I'm gonna start rolling it.
Ma?
Look at
Yeah, roll and put them in same time.
Got the pot I forgot season.
Oh, channel? You know season yet?
So I make this first, so now.
I make it stay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello?
Alright guys, so see, let me show you how I go on now. So the coconut I boil is gonna become custard. You know. So it's gonna become custard, so I'm gonna season the pot. You know. Season the pot. There's the dumpling. Need already with the oats and everything. Trust me, this take a lot. Tell me. You know, so this is the seasoning now I'm gonna use to season the pot. Our love, I hope you're watching, you know, our love. You know, and these are the seasoning. And we have this for the salt mackerel. Raja, I hope you're watching, you know. I hope you're watching our love. So you have the black beans already, so now you have to get the oats dumpling. I never get to cook it while I was there, so you know the thing of my apologies. So now I cook it for your seat. You know, and I also big up my cousin, look at you. Big up yourself, look at you all the way over there in Brooklyn. Big up cause every time, you know. Church Avenue, you know, white van on the Church Avenue, that's it, look at you. So this is what's gonna go on right now. So I'm gonna season the pot a bit. That's what I'm going. You know what I mean? So this is what's gonna happen now, guys. I'm gonna also cut up an onion inside as well too. You know, because you want to season, you want to smell the season literally in the pot. Drop your scallion in another pot. So, you don't know I'm here and I feel for some oats dumpling. I know say a long time boom them say they're gonna get some oats dumpling, you know?
Stamina.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the stamina. Oats dumpling, this are the oats dumpling. Wait till Rockstar Jacks to touch down on the road and thing that the oats dumpling is the oats dumpling. Wait till Jack to touch down on the road and thing. This is how we do it here upon a day like this in Trenchtown. So guys, so you know, so a lot of people leave them name already. And say they're coming for them oats dumpling.
Yeah, my phone number.
And they leave our phone number.
Phone number. Yeah, man.
The oats dumpling. So someone leave them phone number and say boom must call them when the pot almost ready, right?
I bet say boom remember. When I ask you. When the crowd comes down now, I drink the pot water and I remember nothing.
Alright, so we'll drop some seasoning inside it. No, it's tap on me.
Yeah, I told
her.
her.
See what I go run. Yeah, so now we can we call it track. Yeah. Oh, Esther, I beg you pass one spoon for me from out the shop. Talpi! Yeah. I say I'm going to sing called Talpi, you know. I say I'm going to wait the crew. Alright. Hey, you know why you're special?
Great thing.
You know why you're special?
What that?
Shoot, Talpi here, guys. Show them what I go. Talpi in the black. From say you're special or what?
What? Oats dumpling.
If you say you're special, you say oats dumpling. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Just turn the back with us now, boom. Alright, so from the Talpi, you know what I go on already. From the Talpi, you're special. And because Jinjin say, I go tell Talpi if you remember for him one.
Get none.
Alright, so I got the pot already. Oh boy. I in the pot already. Oh. Whoa, look who just touched on. Whoa!
Whoa, yeah man, twice, you know.
Not once, but
Yeah,
twice,
man,
you know.
Yes, I say. They're up on the ground now, man, you know.
What you are going? Are you special, you know?
Yeah man, especially on the oats.
Ah,
Whoa!
yeah.
My God! Oats dumpling, you know. Yeah man, and oats. Yeah man, we're going to kill them with fish or...
Salt mackerel run down.
My God!
The salt mackerel run down.
So, you can stay till later, you know.
So, how we are going? The 6 aki.
8, you know, 8. Yeah, I'm get 2 more and put on it, you know. 8, you know, so this now quarter pound of saltfish. Morning for breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a good look, you know, there now, so I go on, you see me, I
Yes,
say?
sir, yeah, that I go on.
Yeah, man.
So, right now, we are going to pick the salt mackerel. Whee! Esther, where you say you want the bone, the roof?
Yeah, don't show them way.
You want the roof?
Yeah, the bone.
Pebbles says she's not leaving.
Nah, leave. Cause she might get left. Don't leave there. Get left.
Pebbles not leaving
At
at
least
all.
me remember me cause the bone of mine.
Yeah.
At least me I get the bone.
Alright. So, yeah?
What this?
Yeah.
No.
Pumpy.
No.
Jaxie is here. Rasta Jaxie is here. Just arrive. Every time. No, oats dumpling.
No.
Oats dumpling. Yes, that I go on. And run down. Yes. Yo, Jaxie, me ask you where then I'm saying I reach it. I say alright then. Because we know Jackson can't miss this ship.
Yes,
you know. One poison. Of course, you can't. You can't miss this ship. Natisha there as well.
Special.
Natisha special. Johnny, you need this in your shop.
So I must be on the
We need the oats dumpling in your shop. Yes. You can't only have the stew. Yeah, with coconut milk. You need it in your shop. Yeah, in your shop. So Jaxie is here on the block, so guys, so I'm gonna need these now. You know, I'm gonna roll these quick and fast. I want to tell you, so you know, guess what, Jackson? People pass, you know, and leave all them number with boom. And so boom must call them soon as it's almost finished. And then just start boom a while ago. So you're ready yet, boom? So
look at my dream fan can sleep.
Alright, somebody's coming.
Yes.
You have to learn to time the pot, you know.
Yes.
If you don't time the pot, you know what time is that?
I tell you.
If you don't time the pot,
you know
what time is that?
You get lost. Don't talk so loud, man. Everybody come. No, man. I can't take everybody from the ship, you know. You have to sink.
Show them the chunk say here is house
dumpling.
Yeah, man. One extended family, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, this is 30 grand for the base, you know. Just coming from half of the slave.
Yeah, don't tell nobody about the water grand.
Yeah, tell nobody about the water. This is special.
Special. Shaggy one, the one.
Man, so we're there, man. One dream team family, you know. Kino in the kitchen. Yeah, today is Kino in the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
something special.
Alright.
Something
Yes,
special.
man. Said we said something special. Yeah, man.
Dumpling, man. I be able to tablespoon dumpling that
But you know, Kino, just to come from work without some curry chicken foot and rare mix up, you know. And say dumpling me come boil, you know, because I can't take no more rice up there. So come like the right thing.
The right movement, the right everything.
Curry chicken foot and chicken back mix.
Yes.
And wait for the oats dumpling, you know.
Can't come against this, huh?
Mad brother.
Oh, local rice thing. No local rice thing, huh?
Yes, sir. One team, dream team.
Yeah, Shaggy Park, come on, son, man. I eat some corn. You can't kill some, man.
Yeah, long time I eat some cream, huh?
Yeah.
My father Shag, take off them girl in the bag. One of that bullfrog. Dream team, you know?
Yeah.
Think I'm bad. Yeah. Mad. So I used to Kino, you know, we feel glad. Yeah. Can't feel sad. Yeah. And you know, we're not woman where we're bad.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Nah, play era, end up zero.
No.
Yeah.
Well, it's a lot of
Kino, how it go?
They are deal with them who are going. Tell them what go.
So look at Kino.
The oats dumpling.
Yeah. You know, that's our first season.
Stop the music. Yeah.
Steam fish.
Rundown.
Oats dumpling. Whoa. Yeah, man. What's with the rundown? What kind of?
Salt mackerel.
Salt mackerel.
So oats dumpling now.
Long time I don't eat that ingredients now.
Alright.
That ingredients I was the age of 10. My grandma look out for that thing, and my grandma passed off and gone a long time. My father, when she passed off and gone, I never look out for those things again. Kino looking after it now, run down. So I got
never get them dumping here.
It's not even one dumpling out of the rundown. What?
Yeah, miss it.
Kino. Kino thing a finger licking thing, you know. Yeah, no joke thing.
No, but if you're missing an action and thing, I'm going to miss you because the ship is not wait. The ship is not wait pound because the ship is wait.
You see the ship?
The ship is not wait.
Engine keep trucking.
Yeah.
You're not ducking up.
Wait, so I'm going to go straight and go talk about dumping for left phone and about ship.
Not ducking up.
And the ship lands so it's done.
Engine keep rolling.
Everything a blood.
Rotate the camera.
Everything a lift.
Yeah. Yes, man. This is it, man. Where we are talking about, man. Trenchtown, man. The real place. Yes,
Yes, man.
Baby, ready for a dumpling?
Dream team, baby. Such a nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
You see it? Can't dumpling now.
Yeah, the chef in our kitchen. I mean, I wait for my dumpling as he come out there. But I want my one.
No, you can't wait till you come in here, but you can't walk one on top of that, you come in here, but and look where disappear. And that, remember no man, I see him thing you say, look a while and I disappear and yet no.
No, you take that up.
You take that up?
You
tell you, I'm going to tell the man about the anchor me each and pan. You just tell the man about the anchor on the ship me each and pan, you must have a weird.
That's good look. Where you want it there? You know, come over here. Alright, the chef in the kitchen side.
Yeah, because we don't know about dumpling right now.
We love that. Miss it the last time, and now I miss it again. Your birthday to get it for.
Yeah.
When we come here and say food done, the vex.
No, you have to know when for time the pot.
Well, we not move. We not move the time.
You're not moving. Be a good timer.
Mr. Me not move.
Yeah, because I have iron and cook and stew, no? Dumpling is easy thing for cooking, no?
But now a specific time.
No time.
Yeah. That's the big time.
Yeah, the move it drop.
You get some girl class already.
And if you don't get none, you go flap.
And so them a check up. And even car boom already and ask boom.
What I'm saying?
Ready.
And that after that when mosquito bite your heart.
Yeah.
I'll leave the pot.
No, man, you can't eat tree, man.
Come on, look at the water. And just the one you can't even eat. You can't eat that tree up there?
No, man, you can't eat tree, man. You can't eat tree, man.
You're not eat food, man. Turn the camera on this one.
No, man, you have space there, man. Come in, you know, man.
Yeah. They can't move on. They can't turn them back.
You can't eat that tree up there? Alright.
Them dumping a big like
that's like say that talk what they say can't eat that with 3 tablespoons dumpling can't eat. Yes, that him say what they say when we want to dump say disappear and one him not taste. See me?
Not even 2 him can't manage.
Yeah, me I tell you, tablespoon of a weight pan.
The can't manage.
So no. So no, clever cake.
Not run up, this run down.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is not sure.
That means say eat one and dumpling and one too.
See? Yeah.
Indo, it's quite by China man. Kino, yeah. When you talk to them, look at you, when you talk to your man, you fans them, you know. Yeah. Tell them to love me, you know. 2 Newcastle beat me, man. Come, I saw them 12 years beat Newcastle. You see, I'm a Premier League, a Caribbean Cup. I said, Lord, some look at 12 years out of the academy if we can beat play Newcastle and try to win them, you know. And Newcastle beat them, you know. So Man U fans are run come now and rare for me. Listen, man. A Caribbean Cup that. I will never know about Caribbean Cup until Man U win it one day. And so come Caribbean Cup, can I say right now, if Man U win a spoon, and the biggest cup, the biggest spoon in the world. A spoon. Yeah. Tell them for love, Kino.
You're not even talking about the cup.
Tell them for love, man.
The spoon. Man, you dying for a spoon.
No, because true, Newcastle. The back come back. Where I say, at some 12 years old, I still have to play Newcastle. Because Caribbean Cup, I run it down.
Is it? Yeah. You know I mentioned the fork and the spoon.
Yes, and last time, I remember again, last time dumping the boy in the water, body drink off until the pot no waste, huh? That one, until the water, the quarter like boil, nothing no waste, nothing like pot no waste, nothing. No waste, all the water, everything them drink off, huh?
Nourishing.
Yes, me I tell you, man, no? Everything them drink off.
Yeah.
You see it, huh?
If looking at the thing like that.
Look, see it, huh? Yeah.
Just them say so far.
Yes, man. Let me tell him say.
Come go around and come back when I you say.
All right, huh? You see, come taste upon the anchor, me have to each jump on the water. The anchor. And with the ship. Me not wait till it dark, huh?
Smiling Jack.
Yeah.
Smiling Jack. Just call me and say if you don't know it.
Yeah, so me I tell you.
She said, if I give you a number, I said, no, man, I work now. Take mine. She take mine.
That's what I'm talking about. Huh? You see what I'm talking about? Huh? So you know, say Sparky, if you want to disappear, you know, so you go on. You will go on. Same time.
I mean,
I got nowhere why I need the dumplings.
Man, I also just sleep and they come grumbling, you know.
Don't go to sleep, what?
For that. No. Because Shaggy Pala come from nowhere.
Dream one day, not dream 2 days. This is dream forever. Dream team. One team.
Yes.
Oh, in the steam. In the kitchen. Oh, clean in the kitchen.
Making it work.
Making it work.
All right.
Oh,
the Trenchtown song go again.
Trenchtown rock. Don't watch that. Trenchtown rock. I cannot cook the pot. Trenchtown rock.
The dumpling them a boil.
Trenchtown rock.
And everybody have to smile.
New York City's calling. Kina got to be there. England City's.
Yeah.
Kina got to be there. Spreading the vibes all over the world. Alright. Kina.
Yeah man, one team.
They come with them. This is like chicken. Hey, they run dumpling garlic tin. This is one I is bacon. And that's it, yes, you know, keep video in. I shall get there, yes, you know, him keep chanting. Conscious lyrics, yes, you know.
Yeah, as well.
And everybody them keep on watching. So we tell them, Trenchtown City's calling. Everyone want to be here. Please, I want to station here. I'm here to announce, you know. Big station on a park, you know. Since I call on Jale man there. You see me, and work for the big artists, you know. Man, like Rosa, all them man. Jesus, the place nice.
Where down, sir?
Yeah. Trenchtown Culture Yard, First Street. The place to be meet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now things nice in there and things get sweet.
Yeah.
From street to street.
Yeah.
See, a lot of people, him say never eat oats dumpling yet, you know.
You what?
Never eat oats dumpling yet. Him say what soup? And chunks never eat it yet.
Oats dumpling.
Yeah, no people not eat certain kind of food. I be a rice and people and turkey neck and chicken back and chicken. You know, 2 people and food. See, we don't cook them food and sell. Huh? See what I'm talking about. See, same thing when I eat. Them things they don't eat. You know what I'm telling about. Yeah, them not too look for them too. Them people too look for them. People don't too cook them things here.
True, man.
You see it, huh? And food are special food. A special food. You see it. Yeah, you see it.
But so once we get this chunks, you are going to want to cook this next time. Once you taste this, watch this. You never want to call me dumpling anymore. What's dumpling I go on?
Something like that.
So, none of that anymore. No joke.
Full of nourishment. The apartment.
No,
smoke never eat.
Once a while, sometimes.
Where you eat that? When you have some?
No, I lie, man. They make the
Never eat fire.
because
I was dumpling I make, you know?
Yeah.
The coconut milk. Remember sometimes when I run boat up, so now it's not cook from big boy.
No, it's not much food already.
The flour with the money.
You can time for it. I work for people that are here too. If you can time for the time it right.
That's a quinoa. Foreigner.
The time it right, Snoop, I just what a vibe.
Dumpling and what? Come
run down.
Dumpling and run down.
Sam Mac run down. Coconut milk, everything. 4 cannot do it. No, 4 no belly.
Couple dumpling more.
When you fart, you just say you fart for you. When you fart, you see that? I bet you not see it.
Yes, man.
You never see it a while ago. Show them where show a while ago, Stoop. Show them where.
Yeah, my pal.
They catch it, they not catch it.
Yes, man.
Yo, you don't need plate, you know.
More like
Roll this.
how much dumpling are you?
Just roll that.
The whole party again.
Roll that. How much you can manage? Any amount you get if you can't eat the none of soup. That's what give them back, you know.
Does not dumpling.
You can't eat those now.
That's all.
Right, so if you get 2 grand. Dozen and half. If you can't eat a dozen and half, you have to give me 2 grand.
No, we can't walk him down, so now we get this.
If you could eat that, I'm going to give you 2 grand.
You know, they say I'm this big boy for one.
You know, quick and fast thing, man. Wrong time.
So, come on, yeah.
Remember, say me, over say me boss Aki and Prawn, you know.
Yeah.
The bigger one. Remember when you watch this, man say me boss the Aki and Prawn in England.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man will stop cook Aki and Prawn. Ask Pampy. I like Pampy. Pampy know the thing. The man say, yo, Kina for me boss the Aki and Prawn. Pure Aki and Prawn. Aki and shrimp.
Pampy the prawn, you call it.
No, because you Pampy always a what? Yeah, but we call it prawn. So we cook it, instead of starfish, it was the prawn. You see me? Aki and prawn. Okra and everything. When I say Kina from you cook that man, never stop cooking down the kitchen. Aki and prawn.
They will say,
No, but you cannot go so with it.
so.
Yeah,
So.
just keep on point anywhere you want. You know? Anywhere you want, but put it, just bring it down there. Make the lens bring it down there. You see me?
Yeah. Open it here and call it, open it here and put it back down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will if I dumpling this still now. Hopefully, I don't know how say still. I'm going to check it out, everything. That was the last time. I will if I dumpling now. Yeah, roll.
Back here.
Yeah.
And back then near the back this time.
So I hold it for dumpling this. Now I lie,
Let me get
remember in a phone call, I got bet you
if you get 6 dumpling kilo, it now move the pack.
So who you alone for and get 6?
6 dumpling more.
How much me you gonna get?
2 plate she want.
2 plate, 6 dumpling me want to put in my other. But I'm flowing the key on me.
Last time that you say, you know.
last time I had to go on, you know.
6 you say you want the last time, you know, you disappear until you piece in the face.
Alright. They are now.
Just get this here, man.
Right now the football field look ram. Whoa, you know. We say waiting.
Yes, man. I'm really ready yet, you know. Get not catch a vibes right now, because fever me there, look out, you know. Catch a vibes right now.
Yeah.
Watching us, so watching the pot water, I want to catch a vibe, go and do it. I'm not really ready yet. Later, you know, I just mash up my one, you know. 2 minutes, let me see. 1, 2, 3, yeah, man. Give some minutes to go mash up my one.
Yeah.
So, Jenna, man, I do something, let me know, you know. Yeah.
You.
Gina said, talk to you.
Who? Oh, Jinjin. Alright, what chef? Jinjin say what's meant by him? What chef out here? Yeah, where I go? Oh. Alright, the ball field look ram. I go and start that. Oh, she's here. Hold on, yes, sir. Yeah, that's it. Come, we are free. I'm baby too. So guys, I'm ready for the party now. Of course, Jella come for your food, Jella. I'm tell you already, man.
She can't get no for me.
Eh?
She can't get no for me, come there for
The ball field look away. Yeah. How much out here? How much play? How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Why she don't want to listen to me the fight? Why she don't want to listen to me the fight? She don't want to listen to me now. I'm up and up and go park and tell come out and she don't want to listen to me the fight.
Alright guys, the food ready, you know. Just sit there. Dumpling. Oats dumpling there. Jeez. Where's smart up there? Anyone? Boom! Boom! I'm going by fever. Try that. Try it. Get the next cup. Oh, we don't want to waste a fever cup, you know.
We get more cup, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Eve with the water. Hot water strong like that. Alright.
Yeah. The first man who probably have to something. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Like a soup.
That's special. I said, I will go and bed.
You know.
You might bless me.
You
say, watch him.
Yeah, man. The ball
Hey. Yeah, man. Nice, man.
Go through the window, man.
Through the window, man.
You can't through the window, your back.
Wait, man. Man, some of the taste the thing, baller.
You have to taste it before you. You put out order. Now you're not giving me nothing. Anything more, I take that.
I'll leave you.
Ever.
Look, you can't help me now. Oh. Over here,
Tastes like a soup.
Water like a soup. Aye. I like. No,
How you feeling? VIP segment.
That's story.
VIP segment. You have to shake it, real man.
Yeah, story.
Yes, it's a story.
Yeah, after the story. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you think, man.
can't get steer while you
can't just story.
Yeah.
You have to just.
You have to teach him how to do it, Pedro.
Watch it.
Maureen, I share now, Maureen.
Yeah. Watch the show.
Yeah, what is true?
Nah, man.
What is true? What is true? Yeah.
Like this. Then I turn to the left.
Yeah. And then,
And sit.
yeah. And then it does. Yeah.
Where they go? All for money, you taste it. Nah, man.
I saw you deal with it, Pedro. That's how you deal with it.
Same way. That's how you deal with it.
Yes. That's no other way. Yeah.
Not like a pleasure. Relax the sparks, man. Sparks. That's easy.
I don't overcup that. Oh? Maureen, you want to try the custard? It's the soup. It's the soup. You have to try this part. Give Maureen that cup there. Give Maureen that cup. Maureen, you have to try that. That's the coconut custard. That's the coconut custard.
Chicken back down.
Alright.
Kilo, come on, there's nothing in that cup.
We want man full of cup. Kilo can't full of cup. I might cup now we know it.
Alright, so I'm gonna share food now.
Alright, yeah.
So I roast Mama Maureen come before I
My
want.
one first.
So I'm gonna share now, right? Dumpling. Alright.
Curry back down.
Yeah, curry back. Cocoa back. You like a lack of crab? Crab back. Crab back. Say it with
It tastes good, say it.
I'll make more in it.
Tired now, so?
Yeah. But, oh, baby said she only want dumpling too, right?
Yeah, we are. Whoa, I got.
Good morning. And get out and fantastic. She can't get dumpling.
See that?
What am I?
Run down, we can run. Run with one. You know, run like you just seen about fire one.
Shangan.
I want both. She said she don't want dumpling.
Okay. Put mine like this. Come early.
I want your bad. Me not leave it.
You not leave it.
Stay favor and go away. Kilo, you're mad, you know. What's dumpling? I'm looking forever. You just still read it. Feel good. Why is it so?
Early, if you come back early, come back early.
Oh, you say come back early?
Early, last time we missed it.
We had a 2-2 first. Look about that dish
We're supposed to get 6. We're supposed to get 6 now. Yes. 6 spots.
8 spots. That's one spot.
All them.
Spots and one spot.
If you can.
That can't go as far.
2 first.
You know that one long head boy, you know that one long head. No one it up. Yeah, one will have
Dumpling seat.
Fact them other film dumping them.
6 dumpling. Last time we never get none.
Oh,
Some other 6 now. Yeah, we want to take on the first 3 and feel it. Yeah.
Establish.
All the water is a kind of soup.
You know what? We're going to go to gas.
Calling yourself?
Wake up there.
No, pick up some.
Come now.
No, come here, sir.
Esther, go there, sir.
She was our gas.
Bossy gas. Say, only in Jamaica. Hot stuff in a plastic cup. No, sir.
Bad.
Stamina. Must breathe. Oh, baby in a cup. Yeah. Must breathe. Have to breathe. But it's. Yeah.
Oh, we start off in 2.
The man say, man.
So we know the limits.
The man say, don't be heavy in the carry. I don't be heavy in my weight. When I go 2 pounds, you know, one dumpling, I go 2 pounds.
One of them dumpling alone, you can't eat 10.
Actually, nice, that's why you can eat 10.
Yeah.
10 is not t-shirt.
Yeah.
That's the reason why.
Oh, your phone.
Yeah.
A dumpling order come in, you know?
Yeah, but we can't answer, don't bring out of right now. I'm telling you, you're on
time. 7 o'clock, the ship will land. 7 o'clock. 7 will come here, it's done. They come 7:15.
Enjoy the line.
Stamina on the left back. It's a line here. They go school, they say behind the line. If I 10 to the line, so I'm 10 space. Wait for you. How do you feel the line on my bike?
You know what I do next time, you know?
Yeah.
We do it wrong, cause when we don't say, I'm gonna make a boil 2 pounds of flour for me different.
Oh.
But I see him to it again.
Yes, I talk to you. The whole heap of dumpling we need.
A whole heap of dumpling. But
You know when time the crowd is
a whole heap of mouth.
No, that's why that does help Shell Nation.
But when we boil the dumpling, the whole dumpling, so I don't stay so.
You do something wrong.
That means the more when you do it, tell them to talk to me to all the year. You might have the secret recipe.
I can't know you can't like tell the secret.
You might have the secret recipe, you can't give.
Watch out, you know, beat the fire, don't move. Watch out. The bees pitch pan you. Don't
the rich
move.
pan me.
Yeah.
I always dumpling things everyone, yeah?
Yeah, you come film dumpling.
Alright, so give me a count of how much out there so we can know.
It's like 13, 14, paid 15 now, because them two are good. It's like 30 dumpling that already, you know?
9 outside, about 9 outside, Mr. 9 outside.
How much on I can?
You
You don't move from me, so say you don't know. Until I have to stop it. Oh.
Remember, who check the people in place supposed to get more than what is about yourself? 10, 11, 12. No stop going.
Gonna go let film one later for cook. Yeah, cook Aki there one. Come see the Aki, you know. We're gonna do their one. Yeah.
Yes, really, is it Aki?
Yes, we're gonna cook Aki there one.
You don't say you're brilliant or you're brilliant. Which one? You're brilliant. Watch it out. So the Aki them.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Aki, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you're gonna see
How much dumpling you can manage?
I left a fork, we manage it.
You know, so that's a brilliant idea coming.
So one position
That's the thing with a straight panic and just comes
yeah,
out.
cook up Aki with the salt mackerel.
Yeah, so
yeah.
That's not my thing. Don't get
Yeah. So put your guard on. Oh, see the Aki there?
No.
See Aki there?
Yeah.
I'll fire out the sauce so you can go cook your Aki.
You never get country for them country out.
Oh, the coconut? Are you coconut?
Ripper just a farm. Ripper get country.
We use it.
No, I have no problem. Listen, I'm from my phone. I'm son of you.
Coconut nice. If I hear one, I eat more side. It's sweet. I don't want to sweet. Yeah.
3.5 pounds. I put it away.
No more you ever said.
See that?
What's that? You know, you have a continue to, you know, see more people come on. Say, Daniel, yeah.
Ripper no food, you know. None. He the man. We take him here.
Yo, you know, farmer drive where I go? We up a puppy. We have a drive come back from my work.
Don't forget, have a puppy here going on.
No, Joe. Have a puppy back from my work.
You have a popping back.
A puppy back. What dumpling this here? All if I told me get me satisfied.
All if I want. One.
No, we can't work with one. It's not swear here when I go shot. One out a year. I need you. Yeah, me from the one. This show done.
I phone another archery. But it's true. Alright, and 4 can go in. Before we last time. Now, better than that. Now, week in the back.
What week in the back? Hey, go on, man.
I missed the last trip. So now, no, we cook here, we go and some soup and come back. Everything done.
Anything say too long, sir? What you want?
Master, you know it goes already.
Give thanks to the
Give thanks and praises. He has we survive.
And you want to go down the love also.
Yeah, boom. Give thanks for him while all them play. Him while all the while he never.
You remember my bone?
May I come tell you?
See, Esther?
It's the one. She's
a bone the head part. She had the head part nice.
How much dumpling you want?
She know what
Can you move?
2?
Cockroach there. I bone more. Eat when you eat and eat when you eat. Take 5 and give. Oh, so anything you want, Kina give me? Or Kina give me 6 dumplings. No, them say take it and give them it. Mama, you come for your dumpling. Oh, because she don't eat. No, she don't eat food. Mama don't eat.
Find some bones.
That's not bad.
Right, father.
That's not bad. So mind them. You bone them.
Hot already.
You know, share your and put it away. Nobody share with yourself. You should have share your first and put it cover it. Put in something and cover it.
Alright, Jelly, can you DJ?
Thank you, Kino Page, and respect you, your partner. Learn if you can cook. I respect you, Kino Page. And tweet, learn you for cool. And I love this stuff. Hey, you, the body, no? You could get 5.
You could have sing like Archangel and I get no one. I took up my own. Can anybody touch my board? Remember? I shut down.
Thank you, Kino Program. Yeah.
So you're going now. I nobody make the stay.
No, I like this. You can't. You want a loose plate? I'm come up and go down. Nobody know it come.
You want newspaper?
No, loose plate. Nobody know it come.
Sit back there.
Jackson!
Put the man them there.
Choke about what? That shouldn't take up one from me so long time. Fool yourself.
Jackson.
Jackson.
Why? More look more. Hold on there.
Touch it then.
Me take this skin.
So she don't want dumpling.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Me now, me eat my food.
Steer. Back there.
Me here?
Kina see the ship in the right direction. Me
Grandbaby.
You think I hear no?
Grandbaby.
You see him down? You see him down, see that? Wait, no, I don't come for them food. You know the wait time for carry them over?
Stuff it. Hold on. Ginger.
It's a ginger, yeah.
So she da come for your plate. Can the boat land on me?
Your mother want food.
Oh, shit. Oh, chef. I'm gone.
I'm gone.
They are going to talk, mommy. I'm going to patience.
More than like what?
What stay too long serve another man. So have patience and come in the kitchen. Oh yeah, wait.
Yeah, me so weird.
Alright.
Right?
Travis, get ready. Get ready.
What time you going to work tomorrow?
Your time.
My
You
time?
want food again?
As early I go work?
Go this. Right here. Travis. Travis, go this.
Eh?
What time you going?
I don't know what time I go tomorrow. But to 9 or 8. But after 8 to 9, so yeah.
I'm going after 8 tonight.
Alright, go there out.
What time will you say that morning there?
Tonight, after 8.
When I drive and when I pick up?
Hey, Rashida.
That was Tuesday. Yeah, me I go early. Me come and drop off my mother.
What is it? Get out.
Anyways, me I go early tomorrow. Come and I go Friday. Me I go embassy Friday.
It's on early.
At them time there 8.
After 8?
Me I call you. Alright. Me I call you. Just to call from my car.
No, Chelsea was the Chelsea like I said. Look.
Look to your window.
Chelsea won
I said somebody.
Blow.
You want to somebody apart.
Blow.
Stop. Remember. Give thanks and praise.
Yeah, man, the most high. Final one. Don't give final one.
Because you never eat it yet.
Yes, you never eat it yet. Yeah, man, yeah, come on, man.
Alright.
So get them. You want something like this, you know?
No.
3.
So what one there for?
You eat it out there, you don't even know. No, Esther, you. Yeah, the ship. The ship there. What go on out there? Everybody go on. Galpi.
Yeah, man, Gino. One Gino.
Alright. Ripper, what go on?
Brother. Heart I love you know, brother. Them flower are the best.
Best, man.
Best. I don't know where them chef here do boy, but I saw them fair do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, them that make more money.
Who was dumpling though?
Who was dumpling with coconut milk? Bro. Yeah, and really creative.
Sure.
Let's continue.
Yeah. Chunks are the first.
Yeah, man. First in my lifetime, you know.
Yeah.
I'm here people that talk about run down, but this are the real Jamaican rundown.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Stand up. Yeah.
This run me down till me have to go sit down. No joke. You want to hear this? This well nice.
Well,
Not even to say it bad. It's nice.
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 Yeah. Run up.
Now ask some more.
Jenna, what go on?
Say for the rundown, we have to run gas time.
Ask me.
Yeah.
Ask me what go on.
Ja.
Ask my belly.
Oh, I go on.
It's a nut bone, you know?
It's a nut bone?
Yeah.
That was underneath the end. Jella, check the pot. Nothing, what that? How I go on?
That's more food me walk look.
Pot, check the pot. Yeah. Boom in there. Fine, it tastes it fine. What are you waiting on?
Oh God, it tastes already nice, you know.
Aye.
Tastes good.
Rashida.
Yeah man, it's slap. My son never get 4 dumplings.
A whole heap of dumpling I cook.
Everybody wants. They don't cook up a dumpling.
A whole heap of dumpling I cook.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
It's nice. Don't ever find the recipe. They won't
No,
one day.
I want to find a finger. Mama strong.
What?
But yeah. Off it, I'd say it's off it. You know, on.
Don't like eat it off when time kill it. Why? Something more than my brother. Yeah, hear that? Easy now?
Drinking team, what? For tomorrow?
Yeah.
Esther.
Some bone slip away now.
Some bone.
Yeah.
Search for the plate, I will speak, guy. Search for the plate.
And that made the bone fine.
Sir, Rashida, Rashida, oh, go on here. Fata mingle.
Your pastor come late, you come here for more team, you know.
Pastor, you reach late, but something is there for you.
Yeah, man, you know. You get out something for the pastor, you know.
Yeah. But we get the pastor when I'm a dumpling.
I mean, take that more, no. You know? I mean, take that cup on this week.
You put it in a pasta plate. Pastor, because you know, so you have to. Pastor, see there.
Man, the trouble, I mean, take the pot cup. Oh, me take the pot cup, no, man. Yeah, man.
Stamina when the man don't get none.
They get no stamina?
Watch the kino.
So what is spoon? You don't want a stamina?
Get the kino, man. Throw the water, put the
You don't want to stop me now.
No. No, boom, stay and move fast.
Why you pass and them want
Hold on, man. See that? No water, no come brother. You just throw the water, put on fire and make it thin out and give up.
Okay, but I gotta say what put back on the fire.
No, too much water, come back there. Damn, you're going to one. You're so big there.
Then I'm gonna put the ackee.
You got more and more.
Yeah, dumpling to the ackee.
No, I want to dump it, man. See that? This and
Gotta come late. You get ready?
No.
You get ready, Dada?
You kill now, you angle something, man.
Let go on.
Yeah, the food, it not go on. It's shut off, but not lie.
It's a good look, man.
Yeah.
Basket, man. Good
Can you know how you run down? Yeah, it's sweet, but not lie.
Stones.
Yeah, man, Kino, my godfather, man. As I tell you, man, it's a good look, man. Look at food. Nice, brother. Nice. Right now, you may have just asked yourself, we can't get another dumpling. Right now. Yeah, full joy, the food, brother. Full joy, man. Yeah, man, for a long time, we know there, Kino, we can't get to taste back your hand again. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to try the recipe myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Why?
Well, guys, I'm gonna eat now, you know. I'm gonna eat now.
Jesus, my car out of the world. But I eat that thing and keep us food, you know.
Jackson again.
Yeah, man.
Jackson, what go on?
I second time. See that thing that you turn, man. Nothing no go on. Nothing no go on, man.
Yeah, just here. Watch out the plate.
Disappear.
Joking, man.
Joking.
Disappear. Anything you cooking coconut milk.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy in here, no.
Disappear.
Anything you cooking coconut milk.
Yes.
I'm gonna say anything you cooking coconut milk.
Yes.
Disappear.
Right, no?
Disappear.
Daniel get the bone name.
No,
Get the bone name.
yeah, this one there.
Yeah.
Crazy in here, no.
Yeah.
Watch out.
You're talking about listen, man.
Talk again. Watch out. Talk again.
Nothing no go on.
Disappear.
Yeah, nothing no go on.
Disappear. Yeah, just.
Cut the line, so.
Yeah.
Cut the line.
Watch it. Disappear.
Kino for your car.
Be a
Somebody can drive car.
Yeah, I can.
That's how pass a nurse.
Our pastor.
See all the pastor.
See all the pastor. Pastor is here.
Disappear.
Hey, all the pastor come and get. Eh?
All the pastor. What is
Tomorrow again.
What you cooking tomorrow?
all the pastor?
What you cooking tomorrow?
The same thing.
Today run down. Tomorrow run up.
Kino, 2 plates of these
I
guys.
don't know what go on there, so. I wash up gear for some of him.
Well, the rundown disappear. Tonight is rundown. Tomorrow is run up.
Run up. Yeah, give me the rundown joke.
Yeah, well, back in the days when my mother and my father, they are my yard with me. So you know in the 70s that me I tell you about, because me normally born in the 60s still. So we are going to get the 70s experience. My father named Earl Stewart, AK Flowers.
Yeah.
No pretty like him. My father that. Well, you see my mother named Susan Tracy. Yeah, like Oral Tracy, John Tracy.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Alright, that's my mother. Well, one evening my father come in and you know that man love take him 2 little sip, you know.
Yeah.
But when him take him sip and come in, at the first him ever call my mother name so sweet and so nice. The man come in and say, "Want Susie, baby?" Baby, him put my name, you know. Anyway, when him say, "Want Susie, baby," that my mother hear him stand up in the car, Flowers never call her name so sweet yet.
Yeah.
So she said, "Nothing flowy." So when she said that, him said to her, say, what's cooking? So you said him say what's cooking? My mother say, a little random me a cook flour. She say can run down a mad food, you know? Anyway, when she tell flowers say a little run down she a cook. She don't know flowers are on them water, you know. Flowers say to her say, hey, when me done with your RC, you cook run up. I run my mother up run from front time. And flowers up my father.
Jollof pasta. Yes, sir. It was pasta?
Good man, first class. First class. And this Bob used to sing about, you know, George make the cornmeal porridge and everybody drink it.
Yeah.
So tonight a dumpling.
Dumpling. Alright, pasta. Yes, sir. Look for you. Well, alright guys, you know the thing was that is it for the night. Anyway, the pot was nice, everybody has something, so you know it was already, yeah. But it's that time. So stay tuned for more of that cooking, you know. What's dumpling? A real dumpling, better full. You can't even talk much or move much, but yeah, it works. It works. So blessed love guys. So we're going to one team, you know. One team, blessed love. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.